Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Lexus RX350 wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades, a small flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth. Park your vehicle safely and turn off the ignition. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. This prevents the arm from snapping back and potentially damaging the glass. You're now ready for the next step. Now let's remove the old blade. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade straight off the J-hook or pin. It should detach with a gentle pull. Always hold onto the wiper arm securely during this process. If it springs back, it could crack your windshield, which we definitely want to avoid. Place the old blade aside. Installing the new blade is straightforward. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook or pin on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached. Then, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the other wiper blade. To finish up, it's time for a quick test. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield wipers with some washer fluid. Observe how they perform. They should glide smoothly, clearing the glass completely without leaving any streaks or missed spots. For best visibility and safety, it's recommended to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months, depending on your driving conditions. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.